Embarking on the Wingbits network, a comprehensive guide to hardware setup and Wings earnings. Wingbits is at the forefront of decentralized physical infrastructure networks, DePIN, revolutionizing the way we understand and interact with global air traffic data. By empowering individuals to contribute real-time flight information through the deployment of specialized hardware, Wingbits is building a robust, transparent, and community-driven aviation tracking ecosystem. This detailed guide provides an in-depth walkthrough of the hardware-focused aspects of joining the Wingbits network, covering everything from purchasing the right equipment to setting it up for optimal performance and ultimately earning Wings tokens for your valuable contributions. Phase 1. Procuring your Wingbits approved hardware. The cornerstone of participating in the Wingbits network and earning Wings lies in acquiring and operating a Wingbits approved hardware device. These devices, such as the HyFix WB200 and MGW310 models, are meticulously engineered to capture automatic dependent surveillance broadcast (ADSB) signals broadcast by aircraft, forming the core data stream of the Wingbits network. The importance of official distributors. To ensure a seamless and secure onboarding experience, it is paramount to purchase your Wingbits hardware exclusively from the official distributors listed on the Wingbits website. These authorized vendors guarantee the authenticity and compatibility of your device, mitigating the risks associated with counterfeit or unsupported hardware. The Distributors of Approved Hardware page on the Wingbits platform serves as your definitive resource for identifying trusted sellers. Exploring HyFix models, Wingbits primarily utilizes its line of HyFix devices. It's crucial to understand the nuances between different models. For instance, the HyFix MGW310 possesses the unique capability of dual mining, allowing users to contribute to both the Wingbits network and the GEADNet network simultaneously, potentially amplifying earning opportunities. Before opting for the MGW310, prospective users are advised to consult the GEADNet coverage map to ascertain the favorability of their location for GEADNet mining. Leveraging bundles and kits. To streamline the initial setup process, official distributors may offer comprehensive starter kits. These bundles typically include the HyFix device, the necessary ADSB antenna, and all requisite cables and mounting accessories. Opting for a kit can simplify your initial investment and ensure compatibility between all essential components. Staying informed on pre-order opportunities, Wingbits and its authorized distributors may periodically announce pre-order periods for upcoming hardware releases or new HyFix models. Participating in pre-orders can often yield exclusive benefits, such as extended hexagon reservation periods, early access to new features, or discounted pricing, making it a worthwhile consideration for prospective network contributors. Phase 2. The Art of Hardware Setup, Optimizing your Wingbits station. Once you have acquired your Wingbits approved hardware, meticulous setup is paramount to maximizing its performance and, consequently, your Wings earnings. The following detailed steps, using the HyFix device as a primary example, will guide you through the installation process. Strategic antenna placement, the key to optimal reception. The placement of your HyFix device and its accompanying ADSB antenna is the single most critical factor influencing signal reception quality. For optimal performance, the HyFix unit should be mounted outdoors in an elevated location that offers a clear, unobstructed 360-degree view of the surrounding airspace. Obstacles such as buildings, trees, and dense foliage can significantly impede signal reception. Utilizing the provided mounting pole and bracket ensures a secure and stable installation. Establishing robust connectivity, power and network foundation. Ensuring a stable and reliable connection for both power and internet is fundamental for continuous operation. HyFix devices typically employ a specialized, weatherproof cable that integrates both power and Ethernet connectivity into a single interface. Ensure this cable is firmly connected to the designated port on your HyFix device and securely plugged into your router. Harnessing the flexibility of Wi-Fi configuration. For users who prefer wireless connectivity, the HyFix offers Wi-Fi setup capabilities. During the initial onboarding phase, after powering on the device, the HyFix will broadcast a temporary Wi-Fi access point, AP, with a network name resembling MGW310_XXXXXX or WB200_XXXXXX, where XXXXXX corresponds to a portion of your device's serial number, labeled SN/G on the side sticker. Connect your computer or smartphone to this Wi-Fi AP. Once connected, you can typically access the device's internal configuration page by navigating to a specific IP address in your web browser, commonly 192.168.1.1 or a similar address provided in the device's documentation. Within this configuration interface, you can then select your local Wi-Fi network and enter the corresponding password. Securing the antenna connection, the HyFix device is bundled with a dedicated ADS-B antenna, precisely tuned to the 1090 MHz frequency used by aircraft for ADS-B transmissions. Carefully remove the protective cap from the antenna port located on the top of the HyFix unit and firmly screw the antenna connector onto this port, ensuring a snug and secure connection. Phase 3, bringing your station online, the onboarding process. With your hardware correctly installed, the next crucial step is to link your physical Wingbits device to your Wingbits account and the station you have registered on the platform. This onboarding process establishes the digital identity of your hardware within the network. Accessing the Wingbits dashboard, begin by navigating to the official Wingbits dashboard via your preferred web browser. Initiating the linking process, within the dashboard, locate the My Stations page, typically accessible through the main navigation menu. Identify the station you have previously registered and click the Link HyFix button situated next to it. This action will open a dedicated linking interface. The efficiency of QR code scanning, recommended the most streamlined method for linking your device is by utilizing the QR code located on the bottom label of your HyFix unit. Employing the Wingbits mobile application, if available, or a standard QR code scanner app on your smartphone, scan this code. The scanned information will automatically populate the device serial and device secret fields on the Wingbits onboarding page, simplifying the process and minimizing the risk of manual entry errors. Manual credential entry, alternative if you are unable to scan the QR code, you will need to manually input the device credentials. The device serial, SN/W, can be found on the side label affixed to your HyFix device, while the device secret is typically printed on the bottom label. For users with early iterations of the MGW310 device where the WB serial number might not be present on the side label, this crucial identifier can be located within the device's local dashboard, accessible by logging into its IP address. Look for the Wingbits serial number entry, which will typically commence with 0123. Finalizing the link, once the device serial and device secret fields are accurately populated, click the Link Device button, usually located at the bottom of the linking pop-up. The Wingbits system will then process your request. Upon successful completion, a small notification message, typically stating "Device linked successfully," will appear at the bottom right corner of your screen. Verifying successful linking and station status. Following the successful linking process, the My Stations page should automatically refresh, displaying the serial number of your connected HyFix device. Assuming your device is powered on, connected to the internet, and has successfully acquired a GPS signal, the status column for your station should now indicate "Online," accompanied by a green tick mark next to the location field, confirming that your station has been successfully linked and your location claimed. If the page does not update immediately, allow a few minutes for the system to register the connection and then manually refresh the page in your web browser, usually by pressing the F5 key.
Phase 4. Running your Wingbits station and earning wings. Once your Wingbits approved hardware is successfully set up, linked to your account, and online, it will autonomously begin the process of collecting and transmitting valuable flight data to the Wingbits network. Your device operates continuously in the background, passively contributing to the global flight tracking map. Uptime, the duration for which your device remains online and actively transmitting data to the network, is a significant determinant of your earning potential. Consistent uptime ensures a continuous flow of valuable data. Data quality, the accuracy, completeness, and reliability of the flight data contributed by your station are crucial. Optimal antenna placement, stable internet connectivity, and properly functioning hardware are essential for maintaining high data quality. Network coverage, contributing data from geographical areas with less existing Wingbits network coverage can potentially yield enhanced rewards, as this data fills critical gaps in the global map. Number of unique aircraft tracked. The diversity and volume of unique aircraft whose signals are successfully captured and reported by your station may also influence your wings earnings. You can monitor the operational status and basic statistics of your Wingbits station by accessing the Statistics tab associated with your device on the Wingbits dashboard. This section provides insights into the last heartbeat time, indicating active communication with the network, and other relevant data points reported by your HyFix device. However, Detailed breakdowns of your Wings token earnings will be made available through the official Wingbits platform and announcements following the TG. Crucial information: the token generation event TGE is imminent. Stay vigilantly tuned to the official Wingbits Discord server. The token generation event TG for the Wings token is rapidly approaching, marking a pivotal moment for the Wingbits ecosystem. The TGE signifies the official launch and public distribution of the Wings token, which serves as the core incentive mechanism for network participants. For the most accurate, up-to-date, and comprehensive information regarding the TGE, it is absolutely imperative that you join and actively monitor the official Wingbits Discord server. This dedicated communication channel will serve as the primary hub for all TGE-related announcements, including actively engaging with the Wingbits Discord community will ensure that you remain at the forefront of all TGE-related developments, allowing you to maximize your Wings earning potential and fully participate in the evolving Wingbits ecosystem. Don't miss out on critical updates. The Discord server is your direct line to the latest Wingbits news.